Hello everyone. So it's finally time to replace the decking here at our house. And a while back we got this gazebo from Costco. It's a 16 by 14 gazebo. It was extremely hard to put together, so we're not going to be doing that this time. Instead, I'm going to show you how to add some furniture dollies to the bottom of each one of the legs so we can shift it around anywhere we want and still be able to replace the planks. So continue watching. I'll show you how to get this done with some minimal tools and we'll go from there. So you're going to need a spare 2x4 just like this. Any kind of car jack will do. What you want to do is be able to place this 2x4 right in the middle of the actual gazebo itself. Once it's right in the middle, you'll be able to feel that it's pretty much a lot of tension on that. And you can start raising it. As you can see, the legs are now starting to go up. You just have to go a little slow with it. I am adding some spare planks to the top of this to distribute the weight a little bit more, and that way the dollies themselves don't take a beating. It is not a necessary step, but it is actually helpful. And then repeat on the other side. Right in the middle like that. I do not want to plan on leaving these overnight or leaving it on for multiple days. Rather just move it, remove the dollies, and kind of start the process all over again once I need to relocate it. I hope you find this video useful in a situation like I'm in. I didn't want to take this apart, so I'd rather just shift it around a little bit and kind of just go from there. Thank you guys for watching.